गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज की जो हमारी क्लास है उसमें हम पढ़ने वाले हैं जेबी प्रिस्टली का लिखा हुआ ऐसे जिसका टाइटल है फर्स्ट स्नो। ठीक है, तो जेबी प्रिस्टली का जो ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन है वो मैंने आपसे नोट्स में शेयर किया था। तो अभी हम इस वीडियो में ऐसे को लाइन टू लाइन पढ़ेंगे। तो सबसे पहले तो हम ऐसे के बारे में बात करते हैं। So this is one of the most powerful essays written by J.B. Priestley. The essay illustrates the fact that Priestley is deeply and sympathetically interested in the common experiences of life and can transform them into interesting subjects for discussion. In this essay, Priestley discusses the beauty and charm of the first fall of snow in England and depicts its various stages and चेंजिंग मूड्स इन अ विविड मैनर। तो इंग्लैंड में जो फर्स्ट जो स्नोफॉल होता है वो एक इवेंट के जैसे होता है। ठीक है, तो प्रिस्टली ने इस ऐसे में इंग्लैंड में जो स्नोफॉल होता है उसी को डिस्क्राइब किया है। तो ये वहाँ पर एक इवेंट की जैसे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। ठीक है, एक विविड मैनर में ये जो इवेंट है उसको प्रिस्टली ने प्रेजेंट किया है। एंड he finds magic in the way the snow comes quietly at night and transforms the entire landscape by the time you get up in the morning, presenting before you a breathtaking spectacle of rare and enchanting beauty. ठीक है, and the essay gives the message that happiness lies in your heart and mind. You can't buy it by spending money. If you like, you can use your imagination and see beauty even in a common thing such as the fall of snow and derive happiness from the experience. So snowfall जो है वो ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि कोई छोटा सा इवेंट है। इट लुक्स लाइक अ स्मॉल इवेंट। ठीक है, लेकिन इट गिव्स द पीपल इमेंस हैप्पीनेस। ठीक है, तो ऐसे जो है वो बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में लिखा गया है। मिस्टर रॉबर्ट लिंड वंस रिमार्क्ड ऑफ जैन ऑस्टन्स कैरेक्टर्स, दे आर पीपल इन हुज लाइव्स अ स्लाइट फॉल ऑफ स्नो इज एन इवेंट। Even at the risk of appearing to this witty and genial critic as another Mr. Woodhouse, I must insist that last night's fall of snow here was an event. So snowfall is like an event for J.B. Priestley because they enjoy it very much. I was nearly as excited about it this morning as the children, whom I found all peering through the nursery window at the magic outside and chattering as excitedly as if Christmas had suddenly come round again. और इंग्लैंड में जो लोग हैं वो स्नोफॉल को ऐसे एंजॉय करते हैं जैसे कि बर्फ़ को देखकर छोटे बच्चे खुश होते हैं। The fact is, however, that the snow was as strange and enchanting to me as it was to them. It is the first fall we have had here this winter, and last year I was of the country, broiling in the tropics during the snowy season, so that it really does seem an age since I saw the ground so fantastically carpeted. It was while last It was while I was away last year that I met the three young girls from British Guiana who had just returned from their first visit to England. The two things that had impressed them most were the endless crowds of people in the London streets, all strangers, They emphasized this, for they had spent all their lives in a little town where everybody knew everybody, and the snow covered landscape they awoke to one morning when they were staying somewhere in Somerset. तो यहाँ पर प्रिस्टली ने दो गर्ल्स के बारे में बताया है जो कि गायना की रहने वाली थी, कि जब वो लंदन की स्ट्रीट्स में आती हैं तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होती हैं। किस वजह से? एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ की गलियों में क्राउड देख के, और दूसरा स्नोफॉल को देखकर। क्यों? क्योंकि वो एक ऐसी जगह से आई हैं जहाँ पर बहुत कम लोग रहते हैं, तो यहाँ पर जब गलियों में बहुत सारे लोगों की भीड़ देखती हैं तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश फील करती हैं। They were so thrilled and delighted that they flung away any pretense of being demure young ladies and rushed out of the house to run to and fro across the glittering white expanses, happily scattering footmarks on the untrodden surface, just as the children did in the garden this morning. और वो जो दोनों लड़कियां हैं, जो दोनों लेडीज़ हैं, वो इसी तरह से बाहर ग्राउंड में जाके बर्फ से खेलने लगती हैं जैसे कि छोटे बच्चे खेलते हैं, because it is completely a new thing for these ladies. The first fall of snow is not only an event, but it is a magical event. So Priestley here is saying that snowfall is not only an event, but it is a magical event. You go to bed in one kind of world and wake up to find yourself in another quite different, and if this is not enchantment, then where is it to be found? तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि आप लास्ट नाइट में जब सो रहे हो तब आप किसी और वर्ल्ड में सो रहे हो, और जब आप सुबह उठते हो तो आप किसी और वर्ल्ड में उठते हो। ठीक है, ऐसा लगता है। The very stealth, the eerie quietness of the thing makes it more magical. If all the snow fell at once in one shattering crash, awakening us in the middle and faint blues. The light that came through the windows was very queer, and it contrived to make the familiar business of splashing and shaving and brushing and dressing very queer too. Then the sun came out, and by the time I had sat down to breakfast, it was shining bravely and flushing the snow with delicate pinks. The dining room window had been transformed into a lovely Japanese print. तो यहाँ पर कुछ सीन्स बता रहे हैं प्रिस्टली कि सुबह जब मॉर्निंग में उठते हैं तो ऐसा फील होता है जैसे कि द डाइनिंग रूम विंडो हैड बीन ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू अ लवली जापानीज प्रिंट. द लिटिल प्लम ट्री आउटसाइड with the faintly flushed snow lining its boughs and artfully disposed along its trunk, stood in fun simlight. An hour or two later, everything was a cold filter of white and blue. The world had completely changed again. The little Japanese prints had all vanished. I looked out of my study window over the garden, the meadow, to the low hills beyond, and the ground was one long before the sky was steely, and all the trees so many black and sinister shapes. There was indeed something curiously sinister about the whole prospect. It was as if our kindly countryside, close to the very heart of England, had been turned into a cruel steppe. At any moment, it seemed a body of horsemen might be seen breaking out from the black copse. So many instruments of tyranny and shots might be heard, and some distant patch of snow be reddened. It was that kind of a landscape. Now it has changed again. There are has gone, and no touch of the sinister remains, but the snow is falling heavily in great soft flakes, so that you can hardly see across the shallow valley, and the roofs are thick and the trees all bending, and the weathercock of the village church is still to be seen through the grey loaded air, has become some creature out of Hans Andersen. From my study, which is apart from the house and fame it, spring is close at hand. To have snow and frost, and yet a clear sunny sky, and air is crisp as a biscuit, this seemed to me happiness indeed. And then I saw that it would never do for us. We should be sick of it in a week. After ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि अभी जो ये चीज़ है, अभी जो ये वेदर है, अभी जो ये स्नोफॉल है, वो हमें बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, लेकिन थोड़े समय के बाद में हमें ये अच्छी नहीं लगेगी, फिर हम इससे क्या हो जाएंगे, एक तरह से परेशान हो जाएंगे, ठीक है। वी वुड बी सिक ऑफ इट इन अ वीक, ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट टाइम जब होती है तब हम एन्चेंटिंग फील करते हैं, ये मैजिकल होती है, बट ग्रेजुअली धीरे धीरे हम इससे परेशान हो जाएंगे एक तरह से। वी वुड बी सिक ऑफ इट इन अ week, and after the first day the magic would be gone, and there would be nothing left but the unchanging glare of the day and the bitter cruel nights, ठीक है। after the first day the magic would be disappear, the magic would be gone, and there would be nothing left but the unchanging glare of the day and the bitter cruel nights. It is not the snow itself, the sight of the blanketed world, that is so enchanting, but the first coming of the snow, the sudden and silent change. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये जो पहली बार स्नो का आना जो है, बर्फ़ का आना जो है, ये मैजिकल है, ठीक है, लेकिन जो अचानक से जो सडन चेंज होता है वो मैजिकल है। द फर्स्ट कमिंग ऑफ द स्नो, द सडन एंड साइलेंट चेंज, इट इज़ सो एन्चेंटिंग, and out of the relations forever shifting and unanticipated of wind and water comes a magical event. Who would change this state of things for a steadily recurring round, an earth governed by the calendar? अभी के लिए इतना ही करते हैं इसको, बाकी का जो बचा हुआ है वो हम नेक्स्ट